So the procedure for this experiment is, in first step we have to make the connections as per circuit diagram, and we have to record the value of VGE and IC for VCE equal to 10 volt, and we have to set the value of VCE equal to 10 volt, and gradually we have to increase the power supply VGG in steps of 1 volt and record the value of IC and VGE. Now in this case, the minimum gate voltage required for conduction of IGBT is called as threshold voltage. This is the kit for VI characteristics of IGBT. On this kit, by using this knob, we can vary the voltage, and by using this knob, we can also vary the supply voltage to these three terminals. These are the three terminals, terminal number 1, 2 and 3 for IGBT. By using these cables, we can connect these terminals to multimeter for measurement of voltage as well as current. This kit have supply from AC mains, and this is power on off switch for this kit. This kit is manufactured by Castronica, and user manual also provided for this particular kit or for operation of this kit. In first step, we have to keep the voltage of VCE equal to 10 volt for transfer characteristic, and we have to vary VGE and note the value of IC, VGE and IC step by step. So here we can observe the voltage is 10 volt. For this 10 volt voltage, we have to measure value of VGE and IC. So as I increase the supply voltage, then you can observe the value of voltage VGE, it increases. From 0 volt to maximum value obtained is 5.75 volt. In next step, we have to plot the transfer characteristic and output characteristic of this IGBT after measurement by using this multimeter. Now here you can observe VCE is 10 volt and VGE and IC. So if I increase value of VGE from 4 to 9 volt, then I can record value of IC. This thing can be observed on this graph of transfer characteristic. For VGE, as I increase the value of VGE, then IC, current IC, it also increases in steps. Similarly, for output characteristics, when I increase value of VCE, then IC, this value also increases. This graph is plotted from these readings. For VGE1 it is 15 volt, VCE it is from 1 to 6 volt, and IC value it also increases. This is data sheet for the IGBT IRG 4BC20U PBF. This is the number for IGBT, and this data sheet, it is available online. From this data sheet we can note the maximum ratings as well as thermal resistance of this IGBT. Threshold voltage for this IGBT is 3 volt. So in this experiment we have tested the IGBT and its functioning by using this available kit. Same experiment it can be conducted on breadboard also. In question answer, we can, first question is write number of 3 IGBT and their specification. So for IGBT having number FGL 60N100 BNTD, these are the specification. For another IGBT IRG 4BC20U PBF, specifications are given. Thank you.